Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use the hands-free mode on Instagram story. What you need to do, first just go to Instagram app and then click on the story. After that, just click on this icon and then you see here hands free. Just click here. Now just you tap in this button and now just it's going automatic for 1 minute, and if you want to stop it before 1 minute, just tap it again. And then now click here, next, your story, and then just click send and share. This is what you need to do if you want to use the hands-free mode on Instagram stories. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.